Hello everybody, today we have a 2021 Porsche Cayenne Base for sale. We're going to do a quick video walk around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle. And of course, if you're ever interested in learning more or even setting up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So this 2021 Porsche model comes in a white exterior. We've got a beige and black interior. Driver's seat controls, steering wheel. Also have this huge panoramic sunroof, stretches all the way from the front to the rear. Hopping inside, mileage is at 7,982. We have a turnkey ignition here. All right. And here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing climate. You also have climate settings. Let's see, there we go. You can see driver's side and passenger side. Alright, here is navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below your display, and we saw that climate controls there. You also have some quick access buttons here to get to some of the features quickly. You do have heated and ventilated seats. We've got our Porsche shifter here, and then you can also access your different sport or individual custom settings there as well. Do have power memory seats, both driver and passenger. And like I said, the heated and ventilated seats. And rear seats here next. And a quick peek back up front. And another look at that sunroof, front and rear. Alright, coming around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Porsche Cayenne badging, power opening and closing trunk. And push button to close. So once again, this is the 2021 Porsche Cayenne Base in a white exterior with a beige interior. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.